In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pet store Shopify website. We'll start simple and move confidently through the essentials so you can get your store live without confusion. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. From the homepage, click Login, sign in using your email or one of the available connected platforms. Once you're in your Shopify admin, keep this tab open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Next, open a new tab and go to themes.shopify.com. This is where you'll pick the look and feel of your store. Browse the catalog and focus on clean, mobile-friendly themes that make product photos shine. Minimal, easy-to-read design is perfect for pet products because it keeps attention on items like food, toys, and accessories. Popular free options such as Dawn and Craft are known for their flexible layouts and strong performance, making them great choices for a pet shop. Preview a few themes to see how your product images and headings might appear, then add your favorite to your library. Return to your Shopify admin. In the left panel, click Products, then choose Add Product. This is where you'll build out each pet item. Start with a clear title and a helpful description that answers common questions, what the product is, which pets it's for, key features, and any sizing or safety notes. Upload bright, well-lit photos, including close-ups and lifestyle shots if you have them. Set your price, and if you want to run sales later, use the compare at price. If you track inventory, turn that on and enter your stock levels. For physical goods, add a shipping weight so rates calculate correctly. If your product comes in options like size, color, or flavor, add variants and make sure each one has its own price, SKU, and image if needed. Fill out product type, vendor, and tags to keep your catalog organized. Consistent tags like dog, cat, or small animal will make grouping items easier. When you've added a few products, go to the left panel again and click Collections. Choose Add Collection to organize your store. Give the collection a descriptive name like dog toys or cat supplies and add a short description that helps customers understand what they'll find. You can build collections manually by selecting products yourself or use automated conditions such as tags or product types to group items automatically as your catalog grows. This saves time and keeps categories up to date. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. That's it. Your foundation is in place for a clean, shoppable pet store on Shopify.